Here is a sneak peek of the 1-bedroom apartment. We are walking into a really nice open kitchen floor plan. There's gonna be an awesome bar that comes across here and a fantastic living room. Great big sliding patio going out to a private balcony. As you come down the hall, you're going to have a lovely pantry closet there, linen closet, and then here is your 1-bedroom apartment. Really nice opening windows, lots of natural light, wonderful corner unit here, spacious closet space. And then as we head back out to the hallway, you will have a awesome bathroom, of course with your full washer dryer hookups as well. So this is going to be an awesome apartment. Can't wait to keep showing you guys as progress is made.